the moment of truth.
This guy's arm looks so big in this angle.
Well, it's not the angle, dog. It's just
I
reality,
think,
bro.
I think he works out.
He's been cranking this car.
Oh shit, I'm getting a ping.
Oh, what's that?
Some kind of wiring issue.
It's that 70s design, bro.
I know.
Just crank it, dog.
Tahacha. That's like, you know how there's no ECU?
Maybe, hey, you know how cars supposed to have that key sound when you enter it?
Yeah,
It wasn't.
that's what I was
It was
talking
burnt before,
Yeah,
making
that's what I was
a
talking
sound.
about.
Oh! Check the wire sideways, make sure it's
Get
not
this
burning
full of
up.
cigar, bro.
Smoking? I think it's smoking
No.
here? Like melting?
I don't think so. It's not hot or anything. Dude, that sounds nice.
Yeah.
That beeping sound though.
Yeah.
It has to do with the door probably. You know those things
this
when
thing?
you yeah,
Oh, you know what? Yeah,
it's possible.
let me close it up.
Possible. Anything's possible. Excuse me, dog.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, shit.
No wonder. I was like, what the hell? Let me
Guess
unplug
that
it.
little dingle dangle.
Let me unplug
Actually,
the sensor.
learn something.
All right, let's put the doors on and take it down PCH.
Your ass in the third seat.
Nice.
Oh shit, man.
Take it on the block or what?
Because even for these two, the engine has to warm up too, right?
Yeah.
Is there a choke?
Yeah, there is.
Pretty cool. I like the sound. Hey, he did the dash too. You see the dash?
Oh, nice. It was smoking a lot.
It was probably all that excess gas that was in there before, maybe.
How does the exhaust sound?
It sounds nice. Watch, go in the back.
I was debating whether to add like a resonator.
It sounds good like that, huh? What do you think, Simon?
It's shaking a lot.
How many adjustments are there? Is that the idle?
This is the idle. And then there's this adjusting. And then this one part right here.
Can you show me how to use that?
It's pretty close.
Is that like a 5, huh?
Yeah, this one's a 5 and this one's a 10.
Get out of the way, boys. Let me show you how to use that shit.
It's showing. It's showing a 1. That's the lowest setting there is.
Yeah, they're not synced.
SPL311. Oh, it's not.
No. Yeah, this one is like 10 and this is 5.
Oh. So you sync it through that or no? That's just the air fuel, right? That screw there.
Yeah.
You think?
And then there's also the down here is like where the needle that goes up and down
Oh.
for the gas.
Oh, so right now, where does it control the opening of that? I think that's where you need to adjust. Well, could it be through this?
Well, this
And
one
this?
is the idle.
These two?
Yeah, this one also you can adjust.
Yeah, I think that's how you adjust them to match, right?
But the engine sounds good, like for.
Yeah. Oh, before it was straight pipe, huh? Like da 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 da.
No, I have the. It's just.
Oh,
it has like
different
holes in it everywhere. And the,
Oh, okay.
Let me go get the car, the thing for this.
Oh, okay. I'll move my car. What do you think, Simon? You like these roasters? They're pretty cool. Or would you rather get the truck? The Datsun?
I'm into this fucking Miata shit. That looks like a gay boy. Hey guys, I gotta do something back there.
Clap, 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 clap. So I got this pervert here. He likes to do things with pipes.
Hey man, hey, hey. Hey man, just checking something.
It's like throwing a hot dog in a tunnel.
I'm getting your seatbelt soon, so you have to use the.
Damn, remember that. Hey, remember.
It's almost there. I know
I
it's.
think it's good enough, right?
I know the doors are missing, but the steering wheel's on. Look at the heartbeat.
When I think it's good enough. Go and take it for a spin. Just make a bunch of right.
Me?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna do it. All right, somebody be in the passenger then.
Hell nah. You should be driving forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, I drove it a bunch of times already.
Oh shit.
All right.
Alright, take you for a ride.
So, just make a bunch of right and then it should take you around right here.
All right.
Just make sure you kind of test the brakes out. Make sure they work.
Oh, Derek Vaughn.
Can you test for me if this
Wait, where's the reverse?
reverse is this way and then all the way back?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You don't know how to drive stick, bro?
I don't know if it's different.
Well, unfortunately. There you go.
Derek Wong. Derek Wong.
Hey, it feels solid. Just record the engine so you don't catch anything funny.
Derek Wong thinking about buying some property in Tehachapi. Fourplex.
Is the wheels on good? He's always buying the halfway through.
Crocs. Hey, don't have me fly out through the goddamn shit.
What?
It's unsafe as fuck, man. I feel like I'm gonna hit my head on this shit.
It's unsafe as fuck, man.
Hey, dude, say that again, motherfucker. Say that again.
This is what Simon said.
It's unsafe as fuck, man.
I'm on the gas.
Look at that flag, bro.
Oh, damn.
Hey, we gonna get it. Shut the fuck up.
Hey, Hilltop.
Do that again, Sushia.
What's scraping? You think that's the brake? Sounds nice though.
Labor of love, man.
Huh?
Labor of love.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
How's it feel, Derek? It's nice, win some nice. Oh shit!
Oh shit!
The engineer right here, not tying down his battery.
Oh, I'm taking a hard ass turn. Hey, the battery is melting.
Yeah, I saw a video of some guy driving without tying his battery. He
Oh.
hits his distributor and the whole thing dies.
No.